this is Tanya Rowling. Welcome to Tanya Tina's Maths. In this channel, you can find me teaching CBSE Class 10 Maths NCERT syllabus, and my sister Tina Lofus would be teaching CBSE Class 8 Maths NCERT syllabus. Alright, now let's get into the video. Today we are going to be learning exercise 1.2, second question, third subdivision. Now let's read the question. So the question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So this is the question. So the third subdivision is 510 and 92. First of all, as you guys know, we have to find its prime factors. So you guys know how to find the prime factors. So now let's do it. Okay. First I am drawing. Okay. So here I am writing 510, which is in the question, and here I am writing 92. Okay. First of all, as you guys can see, in 510 the last digit is 0. That means we can take two table. So in this also we are going to be taking only the prime numbers. Okay. So whenever you are finding the prime factors, you have to take the prime numbers. So here 0 is the last number, so 2 is the prime number, so we can do it in the second table. So I am writing 2 right over here. So as you guys know, 2 2s are 4. Here we don't get 5 in second table, so we are taking the smallest number according to 5. Okay, so I am taking 2 2s are, it is 4, and so totally we have 5. Am I right? We took 2 2s are 4. So 4 cancel. Then we get 1 is balance. So we should write 1 right over here. So when we write 1, it is 11. So we won't get 11 in 2 table. So we can take the smallest number compared to 11 in 2 table. So the smallest number compared to 11 is 10, because 5 2s are 10. So we shall write 5 right over here. So 5 2s are, it is 10, but here it is 11. So when we cancel the 10 numbers, 1 is left out. So we get 1 balance. So we can write the 1 right over here. So now it is 10. So of course we get 10 in 2 tables. So we can write 5 2s are, it is 10. 5 2s are, it is 10. So we got 255. Now let's do this. Until we get 1, we have to do this. Okay. So here the number is 255. So here you guys can see the last number is 5. So as you guys know, if the last number is 5, we have to use fifth table. So we shall write 5 right over here. 5 is also one prime number. Okay. So I am writing 5 right over here, and first it is 25. So of course we get 25 in fifth table, that is 5 5s are, it is 25, and next one is 5. So of course we get 5 also in fifth table. So 1 5 is, it is 5. So we shall write 1 right over here, because 1 5 is, it is 5. Now we got 51. Okay. Here the last number is 1. So when you add the numbers, that is 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So you guys know we get 6 in third table. So you guys might ask me that why can't we take 2 table? Because we get 6 in 2 table as well. We are not taking 2 table because the last digit is not 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 and all. Okay. If the last digit is 0, 4, 6, 8, then you can take 2 table. But here the last digit is 1. That's why I am not using 2 table. Okay. So after 2, the prime number is 3. So when we add up the numbers, 5 plus 1, it is 6. So 6 comes under third table. So I am taking third table. I am going to use third table. So I am writing 3 right over here. So as you guys know, 1 3 is 3. Here it is 5. We won't get 5 in third table. So I am taking the smallest number compared to 5. That is 3. So 1 3 is, it is 3. So totally we have 5 numbers. So in these numbers, I am going to be closing 3 number. Why? Because 1 3 is, it is 3. So when I close 3 numbers, 2 numbers are left out. So balance we get 2. So I am writing 2 right over here. So 1 3 is 3 and here 5 was there. So in this now when we cancel the 3 we get 2 balance. So I wrote 2 right over here. Now it is 21. So do you guys know 7 3s are it is 21? So we got this exact number similar to this number, that is 21. So we can write 7. Why? Because 7 3s are it is 21. Now let's do this. So as you guys know 17 is a prime number, so we can do it with 17 table. Okay. So 17 is a prime number, so I am doing in 17 table. So 17 ones are it is 17. So finally we got one. So the next one is 92. So in this 92 the last number is 2. So as you guys know, if the last number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then you can use second table. Okay. So I am gonna write 2 right over here because we are gonna be using second table. Okay. So here it is 9. We won't get 9 in second table, but we get the smallest values compared to 9. So as you guys know 4 2s are it is 8, which is smallest compared to 9. So I am writing 4 here because 4 2s are it is 8. Totally here it is 9. Am I right? So totally we have 9 numbers and I am going to be closing 8 numbers. So when I close 8 numbers, we go 1 is left out. That means 1 balance. So we shall write the 1 right over here. Then now it is 1 and 2 is 12. So now here it is 12. So you guys know in 2 table we get 12. So 6 2s are it is 12. So I wrote 6 here because 6 2s are it is 12. Okay. Now the answer is 46. So here the last number is 6. So we can do it in second table. So I am writing 2 again right over here. So as you guys know 2 2s are 4. So we get the exact number. So we shall write right over here 2 because 2 2s are it is 4. And after 4 it is 6. So 6 also we can write 3 2s are it is 6 because we get 6 in second table. So we can write 3 right over here because 3 2s are it is 6. So now we got 23. So 23, do you know what is 23? So 23 is an prime number. So as you guys know, if 23 or 17, if you get a prime number, you can just multiply it with the prime number itself. So here it is 23. So we won't get this 23 in any table. So we can just do it with 23 table because it is a prime number. So 23 ones are it is 23. Finally we got 1. So we can stop it right over here. Now let's write LCM is equal to and HCF is equal to. Okay. So we shall write 510 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. Then for 92 we shall write 2 into 2 into 23. Okay. Now let's write that. So I wrote 510 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17. And here 92 is equal to 2 into 2 into 23. Okay guys, now let's find the HCF and the LCM. So for finding the HCF, we take the common number. So we have a value that is 510 is equal to 2 into 5 into 3 into 17, and for 92 we have 2 into 2 into 23. So these are the values. So in these values and in these values, which is the common value? So in this we have 2 and here also we have 2. So we can take 2 as its HCF because here also 2 is common. So here also 2 is common. So I am taking 1 2 right over here and here also 1 2. So I am writing HCF is equal to 2 because we should take the common number as its HCF. So here also 2 is there. So I took 2 here and another 2 right over here because both are common. And for LCM I am going to be taking these two numbers common, that is 2, here also it's there, here also it's there. So instead of taking 2 into 2 I am taking it 1 2. Okay, only 1 2, and after I am writing 5 into 3 into 17. So I am writing 5 into 3 into 17. And here we shall write 2 into 23. No need to write this 2 because we took common at first. So, no need to write this again. So, we shall write this 2 into 23. So, into 23. So, we got the LCM. So, when we multiply these numbers, we get a value. So, what's the value? So, after multiplying these numbers, the value is 23,460. So, this is the value. So, finally, we got the LCM. Now, let's write LCM into HCF is equal to as product of two numbers. Here you guys can see after doing those things, after doing these things, we should verify that. So, what we do is we write LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So, we got a LCM, we got a HCF, but we don't know what is the product of two numbers. So, we take this 510 and 92 as the product of two numbers. So, we are taking the question itself as a product of two numbers. Now, let's write this. Okay guys, now let's write LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, so instead of writing product of two numbers, we can write A into B. For example, LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. Okay, instead of writing this, I am writing it like this. Okay, this is for your understanding. I wrote it as it is, but if you want, you can write this one, or if you want, you can write this one, A into B. So, what is the A value? So, we are taking the question. Am I right? So, the question is 510 and 92. So, we are taking A as 510 and B as 92. So, what is the LCM? So, the LCM is 23,460. So, we shall write 23,460 into what is the HCF? So, the HCF is 2. So, this is the HCF. So, we shall write 2 right over here is equal to A into B. So, the A value is 510. So, we are taking the question as it is 510 and 92. So, the B value is 92. Okay. So, when you multiply 23,460 into 2, we get 46,920. So, we get this value. And when you multiply 510 into 92, we get 46,920. We get the exact value. If we get the exact value, then your answer is correct. Okay. So, now we shall write this verified, because we verified it right after doing LCM into HCF is equal to A into B. So, we shall write this verified. So, finally, we solved this. So, if you know the LCM into HCF is equal to A into B, if you know these things, then you can solve this easy. Okay. So, please learn prime numbers. It is really important in this exercise. Not only in this exercise, it is very important for the whole chapters. Okay. So, please learn prime numbers. At least from 2 to 23 you can learn, because those numbers are very important. After that, you can just, if you want, you can just learn it slowly, but it is really important to learn from 2 to 23. So, let me just recall the prime numbers. So, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So, these are the most important prime numbers. Please learn these prime numbers. I hope you like this question, because this was pretty easy to solve LCM and HCF. I hope you guys had fun watching this video. Please like this video and help your friends by sharing this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. Catch you in the next video. Take care.